Okay, this video is to show you how to make an assignment from your Wonders program to your students. There are actually two ways to do that. One is through the assignment manager if you have a rostered class, and the other is to push it to your Google Classroom. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to push it to your Google Classroom. Let's assume you're a first grade teacher, so I will click on the first grade teacher edition. You have to choose the unit and the week that you want to make the assignment from. So I'm going to choose a unit and week. Now, there are many different resources here. Some of them are games. For example, you can do Fluency for Automaticity. You could share that through Google Classroom. You could do a, what is this? Assign this, share this through Google Classroom. What is that? That's for ELs. But I'm going to actually go up here to the whole group reading, and I'm going to do a listening comprehension assignment. Okay. I'm going to look at this right here, the three little dassies. And the way you assign it is you click on the gear that's right here, and it gives you pull down. You can open the resource and look at it right now if you want to see what it's all about. It tells you the standards. You can assign this resource, and assign means through the assignment manager, or you can share it with Google Classroom, and that's what I'm going to do. So once you click on that, it will bring you to Google Classroom. Now, if you haven't signed into Google Classroom, it'll ask you to sign in. That's just using your district email and password. Then choose the class that you want to share it with. Now, in my case, I'm going to choose the IC Demo Classroom. And you choose the action. You can create an assignment, ask a question, make an announcement, or create material. Those are the same options you have if you're in Google Classroom. So I'm going to create an assignment and just click Go. It has to do a little bit of behind the scenes work. You can give this a title. I'll call it Read Aloud the Three Little Dassies. And then you give some instructions. Obviously, if this is first grade, the instructions are really for the parents. So I'll say, write some instructions for parents or helpers, because the helpers could be older siblings or grandparents or aunt and uncle. I'm going to now click on Assign. And when I do the assignment, it will say, all right, we're done now. I'm going to go and look at my Google Classroom now just to check it out and to see what does it look like in the Google Classroom that I have. So let's see. Look at my Google Classroom. Let's see. I'll click on Demo Classroom. That's where I placed it. Click on Classwork. And there it is, Read Aloud the Three Little Dassies. Students will, if they click on this, they'll be asked to sign in with their Wonders account. And there it is, the Three Little Dassies, Student Read Aloud. So if you're not familiar with what students can do, there are several things they can do. They can write on this. Let me click over here. It also, these speaker icons will read. That'll read. Okay. You can read. Notice how every place there's a speaker icon you can click.
For Haley Benaty. Hot, hot, hot. The little Dassies were almost grown up, and it was time for them to find their own place. Nimby, Pimby, and Timby.
All right. So as the students click through the book, they can click on the speaker icons and it will read the book to them. And some of these books are very high quality. This one in particular is a good one. And some of them are less than very high quality. So that's going to be up to you to decide which ones you want to use. But this one has not only good literature value, but excellent illustrations as well. Okay, so this is a way that you as a teacher can assign excuse me, things from your Wonders program, assignments from your Wonders program through Google Classroom.